Draw this 3D picture in AutoCAD. So at first, open the AutoCAD, set the limit, lower left corner 0, and upper right corner 12, 9. Then Z enter, A enter. So at first, draw a rectangle which is 100 by 65. 100 by 65. Choose the line 100 by 65. Then the extrude distance is 25. Then draw region, enter. Then go to the isometric view, extrude, select this portion, enter. Next distance is 25. Then draw this portion. Its total distance is 75 and this to this distance is 25. So here to here distance is 50. So click the line, click this end point 50. This is 40. This is 50 and this is 40. Then draw region, choose this whole line, enter. Then extrude, select this portion, this object, enter, and the extrude distance is 100. Then union, select this object and this object. Then draw this, which length is 30. This 30 and this 30, so this middle distance is 40. So this line, this is 30. This is 25. This 40. Then 25. Then 40. Enter. Then draw region, select this full line, enter. And extrude, select this object, enter, then subtract, select this object, enter, and this object, enter. Then draw this portion, which distance is, this is 25 and this is 25. So middle distance is 50 and here to here distance is 20 and here to here distance is 40. So click the line, offset 25, then draw, sorry, again select the line, then offset 20, trim, then draw region, select these 4 line, enter, and extrude, select this object, enter, and the extrude distance is 40. Then subtract, select this object, enter, and this object, enter. Then draw this bottom portion, this is 12 and this is 12. So middle distance is 41 and this extrude portion distance is 10. So this line, this is 12, 10, enter, and this is 12, then 10, this is 41. Delete, again line, then draw region, select this object, enter, extrude, select this object, enter, and this, then subtract, select this object, enter, and this object, enter. So complete this figure. So complete this figure, this 3D object.